Look, people, we're cooking. How cool are we?
Amelia's got flour on her feet.
Look at our cake. One's kind of exploded. That was mine.
I think we should show Mum that. I think she's really good.
Oh. When it gets to 12 o'clock, they're done. Yes. Ooh. I just went in your mouth. Alright, what are you going to do for us today, Rachel? Be a chicken.
Just use it there. Just use back. Back again.
My God.
When are you doing something?
And that's why she's called Cheesy Chicken.
I'm going to show it to my favourites. Put my video longer. I want to do yours all.
No. My hair's like
Do something sexy. Why?
Look at that. Rachel, do the dance. Baking powder. Just lose it. Go crazy.
It's a coup.
It's a cue. Let's go and look at Rachel's fat cat.
Wait, we can't use the cake.
If we can.
There's a box. Like it out.
Right, there's better be no bloody
Spiders.
spiders or cobwebs.
It's cold.
Hey, Amish! Bow! Bow! Hello! You a fat man? Who's a fat man? Yeah? Yes, you are.
You BB.
Yeah, I'm cold now.
Yeah, same. We need a bath.
Needs a bath, a smelly cat.
We were watching this program called House Doctor.
Yes, I did.
And
Don't they smell good?
we were watching the program called House Doctor.
Yeah.
This woman, she had to have dogs for 4 years.
Yeah. Go crazy!